Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear 10th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss exercise 3.5, topic joint variation. Dear students, joint variation actually is taken from your Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur, and the definition of joint variation is that this is the combination of direct and inverse variation with one or more than one variables. Like this, for example, we have 3 questions included in this smart syllabus. Question number 1, if S varies directly as U square and inversely as V, you can observe that this is a combination of direct proportion or variation and inverse variation. Okay, so if S varies directly as U square, so we will write S is directly proportional to U square, and inversely as V, you know that inversely means we will write the variable in the denominator form, in the reciprocal or the denominator form. So S varies directly as U square and S varies inversely as V. And when we will change the proportionality sign into proportionality constant K, then we will put equal. S is equals to K U square by V. This is the equation 1. And the given values are that if S is equals to 7, when S is equal to 7, U is equals to 3, put the value of U is equals to 3. Since U is square, so we will put 3 square, and V is equals to 2. So first we will find the value of K. How we will find? We will multiply 2 with 7. 2 7s are 14, and 3 square means 9K. So divide the equation by 9 on both sides. So we will get the value of K, which is equals to 14 by 9. This is the proportionality constant value. And if U changes from 3 to 6 and V becomes 10 from 2, means V changes from 2 to 10. So what will be the change in S? Let's see. Put K is equals to 14 by 9, U is equals to 6 and V is equals to 10 in equation 1. So when we will put S is equals to K U square by V, this is equation 1, put the values of U, K and V in this equation. 14 by 9 into 6 square divided by 10. 6 6 are 36, so 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Then we will multiply 14 4s are 56 divided by 10. We can write the answer in the decimal form as well as in the fraction form. In fraction form, we will divide the fraction by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10. So answer will be 5.6 or 28 by 5. This is the value of S. Now move to question number 3. If Y varies directly as X cube, means the relation between Y and X cube is that Y varies directly as X cube. Means if we will increase the value of X, then the value of Y also increases. And inversely as Z square and T. Inversely as Z square and T. Then first we will multiply Z square and T. Then we will take the inverse variation. So Y is inversely has the inversely variation as Z square T. So this is the relation. Y is directly proportional or varies directly as X cube and inversely as Z square T. Change the proportional sign to the constant. Put Y is equals to K X cube by Z square into T. This is equation number 1. Now we have the values, and Y is equals to 16 when X is equals to 4. So we will put Y equals to 16 when X is equals to 4. Put the value of 4 here, and Z equals to 2. Z is equals to 2, put the value of Z here, and the T is equals to 3. So we will put the values of Y, X, Z and T. This is 16, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 will multiply by 16. 12 multiplied by 16, and here 4 cube is equals to 64. Then we will divide the equation by 64, and then we will cancel out like this. 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are 64. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So value of k is equals to 3. Now we will put the value of k is equals to 3, value of x, new values of x. X is equals to 2, z 3 and t 4. Now we will put the value of x, which is equals to 2, z is equals to 3, t is equals to 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 is this. Now my dear students, we will put y is equals, first of all write the equation y is equals to k x cube by z square t. Now put all the values in this equation. K is equals to 3, x is equals to 2, so 2 cube, which is equals to 8. Z square equals to 3 square, and the value of t is equals to 4. This 3 will be cancelled by this 3. I mean, this is 3 square, it's means 3 into 3. And 2 cube means 8. We will divide 8 by 3 multiplied by 4, 12. Divide the equation by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 threes are 12. Y is equals to 2 by 3. This is the answer. Now we are doing the last question. If v varies directly as x y cube, v varies directly as the product of x and y cube, and inversely as z square. First we will write the relation. V is varies directly as product of x and y cube and inversely of z square. Then we will change the proportional sign to constant. V is equals to k x y cube by z square. This is equation number 1. Now we will put the values. If v equal to 27, put the values of v is equals to 27, x is equals to 7, z is equals to 6, and y is equals to 6 and z is equal to 7. Then we will put the values, all the values in the equation. 27 is equals to k 7 6 cube by 7 square. Dear students, you know that 7 square means 49. So this will be multiplied by 27, and we will divide these values to write the denominator of the left hand side. 7 and the 6 cube is equals to 216. 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. These will be cancelled. Now we will cancel these values by 9. 9 threes are 27, 9 twos are 18, 3 will carries, it will become 36. So 9 fours are 36. So this is again divisible. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. So the value of k is 7 by 8. Now we will put all the values of k, new values of x, y and z in x, y and z in equation number 1. Write equation number 1 carefully. Equation 1 is v is equals to k x y cube by z square. New value of v, x is equal to 6. From it will change from 7 to 6. Y will becomes from 2. From it will becomes change, and z is 7 first, and now z is the value of z is 3. All the values are decreases. Okay, now we will write the equation number 1. V is equals to k x y cube by z square. V equals to k x y cube by z square. So value of k is 7 by 8. Value of x, new x is equals to 6. Value of y is equals to 2. Since this is y cube, so we will write over here 2 cube. And value of z is equals to 3. So we will write here z square means 3 square. 7 by 8, 6 multiplied by cube of 2 is equals to 8. This 8 will be cancelled with each other. And now here we will write 3 square. 3 square is equals to 9. 6 and 9 both will be divisible by 3. So we will divide it by 3. Like this, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So now we will multiply the numerator values. 7 twos are 14, and this is the 3. My dear students, you can observe that if we will decrease the values of the x, y and z, then the value of v also decreases. First, the value of v is 27. Now the value of new v is equals to 14 by 3. This indicates us that if we will decrease the values, then other values also decreases. This is the end of exercise 3.5, means joint variations. I hope so that you have enjoyed and you have the clear concept. If you have any problem, please discuss with me. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.